Hello, my name is Nancy Medina Schramm, and I'm a happy customer of Smile Select. I have been a patient of this practice for over 10 years. My whole family also is a patient here. We are all very happy and satisfied with the services received. The doctors are very caring, and they take pride in providing services to patients that are reluctant to come to the dentist. Many of us had had prior bad experiences at dentists, which caused for us not to seek the treatment that we need. If you come to Smile Select, all your fears will go away because people here, the doctors, care very much, and they will do whatever necessary to help you. Please continue to come to Smile Select, and if you haven't chosen this practice yet, believe me, Dr. K practice is the best. Thank you.